Beautiful day for fishing. Beautiful day. And welcome. It's January 5th of 2019 and I haven't made a video for a while. It's raining in Pennsylvania and I decided to go for a quick fishing trip because I have about a 1 hour opening. I've been missing out on all the fishing because it's been kind of cold here. 2 lakes I'm gonna try out. They're within 2 miles from my house. One that I went to many times. I'm gonna try for a bass in there, and I want to see what's alive out there and what's, you know, biting. The second lake I discovered by flying a drone. I might show you in this video right here. I'll fly over it, but it's fish will be welcome right now because it's kind of, I haven't fished for a while and I really want to get out there and, you know, put something on a hook and go, if it's eatable, fry it and cook it, and maybe you guys will join me for a little cooking session. But that's going to be another playlist on my channel. Fishing, which is a big passion of mine, and I do fish a lot, at least once a week. on a regular basis, and so we just left the house as I was talking, and then it's pretty much we're pulling into the lake right now. So let's see what this day is gonna bring to us. Exciting. I do have some new fishing gear setups for this new year. I'm setting up 2 new rods for my carp and large fish fishing, and I got new rod for my bass and all of that kind of fishing. New reels. I got 4 new Piscifun new reels I'm trying out. The Carbon X, they're all made out of carbon, and they're super light, super strong. I'm so excited about them. I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna show you what I got. Ooh, that's interesting. But not right now. Right now I just got my 2 little beaters that I'm taking pen fishing all the time with me, and I didn't bring my new setups, but I will be showing you guys what I got and taking you guys with me on those fishing trips. Subscribe, like, share, and comment, because I'm looking forward to that. Like I said, summertime, at least once a week. At least. Alright, that's posted. Private property. Great. It is a private property lake. You can't be on it. So there you go. That's answered. That one was answered. The one lake that I saw it in the drone. Private property. There you go. Cancel that new lake. 1 more to go. Alright, so we're here to do some damage. It's pretty muddy here. I'm in my muddy boots to make it through this fields, and the lake is in that behind those trees, so we have to cross this. And then, ouch! Ugh, some berries got stuck, and then this creek, and I have to cross it by this log. Well, anyway, I'm gonna put camera down because it's dangerous business in here, but and it's slippery, so if I fall down I'll try to record, but for now I'm gonna put it in the pocket and try to cross it safely. Whew. Whoa, we made it. All summer long I've been running across this little log, and in the summer it's nice and dry, so no issues, you know, I can just flip-flops and I just kind of run across it, but not in the winter, you know, when it's slippery and scary business. So anyway, this is my getaway lake that I kind of discovered flying a drone, and it brought some good fish to me. I don't want to come up too high because I did catch some bass before just casting from down here, not scaring them. They're right here by the bank, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna try to set this camera up and we're gonna cast for a bass and see what's gonna happen in 2019 season opening. Let's do it. single bite. We're gonna go to the other side of the lake. I'm gonna try to cast from the other side because had some luck before on the other side, so we're gonna give it a try. Beautiful day for fishing. Beautiful day. This is the best you can get. I mean, it's a slippery slope, and I mean it. It's slippery. All we care is about 2-3 nice basses. We're good. On this end, no luck. Let's travel down and around and see if we can land back to the, well, people were walking here. The trail. There is the trail. Oh boy. I don't know if it's people, but something. It's a trail. Oh, ouch. Alright, making it through here. I don't know how Lewis and Clark did it. It's like half a mile an hour. Oh boy. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yeah. All right. I think we're good. I think we're good. To get back right there where we started from. Then we went around, fished from here, made it through here. Now I have this. So anyway, no luck. It's raining. It's raining pretty good. Can you guys see me? I'm going back. That's no fish. No fish. I got my second fishing rod and we're coming back. Another crossing through the, but you know what, it was good to get my fishing hooks wet and get myself out there. And so this creek right here, it's the same one that's on my backyard, going through my backyard, but we're about a mile, maybe 2 miles down the stream. That's gonna be another dangerous crossing. This one is no joke. I mean, it's this guy right here is, I'll tell you what, probably good 3 feet deep. This is Muddy Creek. Through these branches, or anyway, that's a struggle. It's a lot easier in the summertime. And it goes all the way there. So whatever lives that way. So anyway, coming back home, that's it, I'm good. I think I got my fishing sickness out of the way. I think I feel better. I feel better now. But it's been cold and rainy. But as soon as we get another break, I want to go carp fishing. I want to go get some carp. I want to smoke them and eat them. You know? Good stuff. So, subscribe to my channel. You'll see more fishing videos as I go out and fish and do my stuff. Until then, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, and all of the good stuff, and Happy 2019. Bye.